Excitement lights up the face of evangelist Kemi Samuel as she basks into the warm embrace of family and well-wishers into her Golden Jubilee celebration.
Please, a round of applause. We celebrate you, Golden Jubilee. Welcome to the 5th floor and wish you much more. God bless you.
Turning 50 is a big deal for most and considered a huge blessing. This explains heavy presence of well-wishers who didn't hold back in celebrating with her on achieving this milestone, as she also unveils her book.
We are going to unveil together this unique book called The Princess in the Rain. We unveil in the name of God the Father, the Son, and of course the Holy Spirit.
Then, the cutting of the cake. The event, graced by notable Nigerians, turned a platform to pay tribute to the celebrant.
And I want to prophesy that by the grace of God, because you are 50, and because you are acknowledging God and Christ, this day is the beginning of new beginning in your life in Jesus' name. Because the life expectancy in this country today is 43. So if you are 50, by implication, you are beating the life expectancy of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I just took note of that. She's happy, full of life and all that. But the moment she gets to the other side, one thing I know she will say is, nonsense. Nonsense. And then when she's angry, and when she wants to talk, she wants to run up with matter. That person she said there, nonsense. I'm talking to you, nonsense.
For the evangelist, teacher and journalist, Kemi Samuel, the event is an opportunity to create more awareness on the girl child in the country through her book, Princess in the Rain, and give thanks to God for attaining the Golden Jubilee age. Other side attractions included rendition of songs and drama display of the intriguing novella